Hey guys, it's Chase
I'm Catalina.
and we're back with another YouTube video.
And today we're going to be teaching you guys how to make good quality TikTok videos so your accounts can be more well known and get on the For You page more often.
Tip number one is your quality. So you always want to have good quality in your videos. The first thing to that is having a good phone. So if you can't afford a new phone, then just get the best quality phone that you can have, but get whatever you can.
So I shoot my phones on my iPhone 11, and I honestly think all phones pretty much have good quality, like all Apple phones.
Another good thing to your quality is to have good lighting. You always want to have good lighting, so you can either put a ring light or something, or you can just have natural light like this. Tip number two is captions. You always want to make the caption related to the video so then it engages the users.
And don't forget to use hashtags like hashtag For You page, hashtag viral, and hashtag XCYB. Wait.
XYZBCA.
Yeah, that.
And you can also make hashtags that relate to the video. Like if you're making a comedy video, you can say hashtag comedy or hashtag funny. If you're doing like a POV video, hashtag POV. Another tip is to have your followers engaged. You want to say something in your caption or say something in the video that'll make them like
if you want to say that you're gonna give people shout outs, that'll make people comment more, which once they comment and they like it, then it gets more on the For You page. So say you're gonna do a shout out, but don't. No, I'm kidding. Actually give them a shout out. Oh, don't forget to use the G6 filter and the sparkle effect.
And you always want to make your videos about the same stuff. So
and make sure you have good feed. If
you make comedy videos, then try to keep every single video about your comedy videos. You can add like a dance video once in a while, but make sure you have your page containing all the same stuff.
Like, I do comedy videos and dance videos. I got famous off doing like comedy videos, so like I'll do like maybe like twice a week I'll do comedy videos, but they're literally like really funny and they get a lot of likes.
Another good thing, we can't really do this right now in quarantine, but you can meet up with like your friends around the neighborhood or something. But if you can, you should collab with people. Whether it's a small creator or a big creator, you want to collab with people because more people in your videos is just more interesting. And make sure you tag them too, because if you make a video with them, then they'll tag you too.
Okay guys, so this is my TikTok. I have 72.5k followers. So pretty much this is what we're talking about by feed. I kind of have the G6 filter on. Like right here, I kind of keep like my videos on the same filter. I never use a different filter. And I even set my profile as the G6 filters.
So for my feed, here's kind of what it looks like. I do mostly dance videos, but I do some comedy, and most of my videos I take outside on my back patio, just because I usually like to record in the same places. And most of the videos are in the sun, so my followers are kind of used to that. So yeah, that's my feed. Hope you guys enjoyed our tips to having a good TikTok feed. Make sure you guys go subscribe for weekly videos, and go hit the like button on this video. Also go hit the bell so then you know when the next video posts. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.